Ho 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 everyone! Welcome to the Santa's Workshop Research Center! Oh ho 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 ho! And why not begin this classic time of joy and gift giving by taking a spec-evil look at those classic toys we all love, beginning with the teddy bears. Please consider liking, subscribing and hyping to give our channel a merry holiday season. And now, without further ado, let's get started! During the course of our studies, not all organisms we've met have been a source of horror. Some of them are as beloved as any animal can be, becoming such a synonym of childhood joy that even their relatives get to be seen, by association, as cute, cuddly animals. Such is the case of the teddy bear, scientifically named Parvorsus roosevelti, after the USA president who refused to shoot the type specimen. Roosevelt bears, more commonly known in the present as teddy bears, seem to represent a hyper-specialization on the more arboreal trends observed in black bears. While fossil evidence shows a high similarity between the two, modern teddy bears have converged on a body plan similar to that of koalas, including a much smaller, yet muscular body that helps them climb with ease. They also have much more defined digits, great at gripping trunks and branches, and retractable claws that are kept sharp and in optimal condition for whenever they need to climb. Teddy bears are extremely social, living in large groups of unrelated individuals, often bonding with others at their own pace. Bonds formed by these small bears can last a lifetime. Yet, despite their cute and cuddly appearance and adorable behavior in the wild, fights between teddy bears are quite terrifying, as these animals will use their sharp claws to attack each other, often going for the face and especially the eyes. Attacks to the rest of the body will be mercifully stopped by the bear's secondary layer of fur, a whitish, woolly fur that isolates these bears from the cold despite their small size, as well as protecting them from strikes and falls. Older bears can be seen bearing the results of such fights, with injured or missing eyes and shreds of woolly fur hanging from their body. Of course, their cute looks and wholesome behavior led to humans quickly developing a soft spot for them, which led to their domestication soon after their discovery, a quick process that produced the characteristic traits of domesticated animals, including much larger eyes and forehead than in wild populations and a much shorter snout with smaller teeth, which makes them appear much cuter to humans, while unfortunately decreasing their ability to hunt by themselves. This, however, is of little concern when they are being fed by their owners. Furthermore, many breeds present special coat patterns, including lighter patches, spots, and even heart shapes. As can be imagined, some of these breeds are very sought after and can reach high prices among teddy bear fans. Yet, despite their cuteness, teddy bears still have the instincts that allow them to survive in the wild, as well as the huge claws and strong muscles they need to climb and defend themselves. This is not to say teddy bears are dangerous, as most responsible owners tend to trim their claws, and teddy bear attacks rarely reach 2 digits per decade. Instead, these traits are a huge asset to their owners, as many families will use their teddy bears as guards, protecting the family from intruders, especially protecting children, with whom they bond very easily. This is, of course, incredibly valued in a country where bugbears, boogeymen, and other wild animals are known to enter homes in search of food. And that's it for Speculative Biology Look into Teddy Bears. Oh ho 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 ho! Don't we all just love those little guys? When working on what this one would be like, we figured, why make it something other than bears? That's right, I didn't turn the teddy bears into eldritch abominations. Sorry to disappoint, ho 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 ho. Instead, we focused on what it would take for a bear to shrink into this cute body plan. And while an arboreal lifestyle did help, we took it all the way there with a domestic variant, which is a plus since teddy bears are defined by being loyal companions to kids. Of course, the look of a well-cared-for domestic teddy and of a rugged wild teddy gave us a chance to illustrate both the stereotypically cute version and the ironic, evil-looking one, including stuffing coming out of it and missing eyes. So, as always, big thanks to everyone who wanted to see this episode. It was something cute and wholesome to work on, so thank you for that. And also, thank you to our researchers and research associates who support us through Patreon and YouTube memberships. Remember, you too can join in if you want to support our channel, and you get some nice perks too, like seeing all of our creatures and videos ahead of time and helping mold them into shape. Or you can also like, subscribe, or write a comment telling me any type of creature you would like me to give the Speculative treatment in the show. Any of those really help the channel a lot. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked this start to our holiday season, and see you next time on the Speculative Wildlife Research Center.